The woman facing possible charges in the dragging death of local tow truck driver Alan Rose makes her first court appearance. News First 5's Carolyn Carver live at the El Paso County Courthouse now with more. Carolyn?
Lisa, it was a very short hearing today, but still an emotional one. Several members of Alan Rose's family and his close friends in court today for every step of the way, including the victim's wife. Now, the woman accused of dragging Alan Rose to death, Detra Farries, one of the first people in court today, showing up 20 minutes before court was even scheduled to start. She was there with a friend, but when she stood up before the judge, she was by herself. Typically with cases like this, there's a lawyer. Now, this is an advisement to make sure she understands why she was arrested. It lasted less than a minute, with Farries giving just a few short yes and no answers. Now, they asked not to be seen, but the victim's family was in court today. They have retained an attorney who told us the family is not ready to speak publicly, but they want to be in court every step of the way.
There's a criminal issue that's taking place. There'll be a civil issue as well. So we'll be involved throughout that whole process and representing the family both throughout this matter as victims' representatives, but certainly on the civil side as well.
Now, the most action was in the hall as the media waited outside to try and ask her some questions, but she just kept walking, looking straight ahead. Now, she does have another court appearance next week. That's when we're expecting to find out if the district attorney will stick with the manslaughter charges or choose more or less severe charges. Reporting live in Colorado Springs, Carolyn Carver, News First 5.